because hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you guys don't know what this channel is all about, then this channel is all about fashion tips and photography tips. You'll get both here. For example, like how to style one dress in different ways, to know about your body types, to know how to style yourself, to how to pose and how to edit your videos. Everything you'll get here. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I put a new video. Okay, so for today's video I have decided to go little bit of creative and create our own shadows, because I believe nothing is better than our own shadows, right? So let's just create our own shadows in different ways and we'll play with some lightings of the shadows. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so for the idea number one, we're gonna use phone's flashlight to create a shadow and we'll adjust our phone somewhere. I'm using skimmer in this. You can use anything, any utensil from your kitchen like chhanni or something. Turn off all the lights and there you can see the shadows created. Now start posing, try different angles and different pose as well so that you can get a perfect shot. Here is my result. And here are some pictures I edited for my Instagram as well. For the second idea as well, I used kitchen utensil which we generally call chhanni or sieve. You can see I have turned off the light and here's the flashlight reflection of the same. Start posing, pose randomly and take various shots so that you can get a perfect shot, like few perfect shots at last. Here is the edited version for the same. For the third one, I have used scrub brush like Tilli wala jhadu in our homes. I have picked few of the sticks and tape it well, and here it is. Now I have adjusted this on a table so that it can stick and it can create a shadow like the earlier ones. Adjust your phone with the flashlight on and another phone as well from which you're gonna click your pictures. I have kept the phone on the timer mode so that you don't need anybody else for the same. Here is the shadow I created. I have used just my mobile phone and the spare phone for the flashlight for all the pictures in this video, so that you can easily create your, click your pictures by yourself. You don't need somebody else for the same. Here is the result. You can also click your pictures in the sunlight. You'll get the direct shadow. You don't need to create a shadow for the same. So for the last one, I just saw a random tablecloth, so I thought to click a picture with that. And as always, I have turned the lights off, flashlight is on. We are trying to create a reflection here and it's pretty well. I think we can click a picture here. So let's just try different poses and click and let's see the results. Here is the result for the same. I think pictures are pretty well. If I'll edit it, it would be better, but I'm not editing right now. Thank you so much for sticking it till the end. Let me know your favorite one from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.